Honey is one of the most popular natural foods in the world. People use it in tea, desserts, medicines, and even skincare. But here's something most people don't know. Honey does not actually come directly from flowers. That idea is one of the biggest misconceptions about how honey is made. The real process is far more fascinating and happens inside a tiny insect. Most people believe that bees collect honey from flowers and simply store it in their hives. In reality, flowers never produce honey. What flowers produce is nectar. Nectar is a sweet liquid, but it is not honey. Think of nectar as the raw ingredient. Honey only begins to exist after the bee starts working on it. When a honeybee lands on a flower, it uses its long tongue to drink nectar. This nectar is stored inside the bee in a special organ called the honey stomach. This is not the same stomach the bee uses for digestion. The honey stomach is designed for one purpose only, and that is to help convert nectar into honey. Inside this honey stomach, something amazing happens. The bee releases special enzymes into the nectar. These enzymes break down complex sugars found in nectar into simpler sugars. This chemical reaction is the first and most important step in turning nectar into honey. From this moment, nectar slowly starts becoming something new. As the bee flies back to the hive, the process continues. The nectar inside the honey stomach keeps changing while the bee is in the air. By the time the bee reaches the hive, the liquid is no longer just nectar. It has already begun its transformation into honey. Once inside the hive, the bee passes this liquid to other worker bees. They move it from mouth to mouth, adding more enzymes each time. This teamwork helps complete the chemical process. After that, the bees begin removing extra water from the liquid by fanning their wings and creating airflow. As the water evaporates, the liquid becomes thicker and thicker. When it reaches the perfect consistency, the bees store it inside honeycomb cells. Finally, they seal the cells with wax to protect the honey for long-term use. So, honey is not made in flowers, and it is not made by humans. It is created inside the bee through biology, chemistry, and teamwork. The next time you taste honey, remember that it began as nectar and was transformed inside one of nature's most incredible creatures.